Watch this video and learn how to draw a little cute piggy. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington has a dance break with Artie. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Yay! What are we going to draw today?
Hello, Artie. Today we're going to draw a really cute little piggy.
Wow! Ooh, I can't wait!
Let's do it.
Hey there, Artie.
Greetings, Artie!
Are you ready to make some art?
I'm ready.
Do you have a nice sheet of blank paper?
Yeah?
Then let's draw our piggy.
Oh, wow! That's going to be really fun. Okay, let's do it!
Let's start by drawing a small circle in the middle of the page, just towards the left side. That's it. Now let's draw a small circle inside. And remember, shade that in black. It looks a bit like an Oreo cookie, Artie.
Yeah.
Now I want a cookie. Ugh. Now draw another circle on the right side. Try and make it the same size as the first one. And don't forget the little circle inside. If Artie's going too quick, here's a message from Bobby.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Now let's draw our pig's nose or snout. Let's draw a nice big oval shape just underneath the eyes. Very good, Artie. Take your time. Now we've just got to complete the underside all the way round. There we go. And now we have a snout. Let's add two oval-shaped nostrils right in the middle. One on the left and one on the right. Oh, here comes Bunny Fluffington.
Artie, Bunny's here.
Hi, Bunny.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy. Hop to it.
Okay.
Bunny always has something positive to say, doesn't she, Artie? Now, let's draw our piggy's body. A big curvy shape on the left side, then go across the top, and of course, the same down the right side. Try and match what you did on the left if you can, as closely as possible.
I think we should have a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah, let's go have a dance break. Dance break, dance break, dance break.
Okay.
Artie's got the beat.
Dance breaks sure make me happy.
Me too.
really, must I? I mean, incredible. 10.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
And Bunny was great too.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Shall we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, yeah,
Come on then.
okay.
Let's draw a little S shape at the bottom on the right, and then the same on the left, little sort of wiggly S shape. Very good. Now do a little curve up at the bottom. Perfect. Same on the right. This is going to be our piggy's feet, or trotters. Watch to the end to see one of Louie's awesome shape breaks. Now let's give our piggy some cute little ears. Just an upside down V shape on the right and the same on the left.
Oh, Painty! No!
Oh, Painty, what a mess. There's pink paint everywhere now. Let's give our piggy a little right arm. Curve all the way down to his tummy, around and back up again. Do you think you can do the same on the left side, Artie? Curve down and back up again. This piggy has a really nice shape.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
You want a shape break right now?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Well, hello, and welcome to today's shape break. Now, today's shape, as you see here, is a sphere. Now, a sphere, it's like a circle, but more dimensional, more like a ball, sort of a complete shape. Circle, but spherical. Spherical, you see. Well, examples of spheres are, let's say, some fruit. Apples, oranges, even vegetables, onions, tomatoes, let's call the whole thing off. Balls, like a basketball, soccer ball, tennis ball, that kind of thing, you know. And my favourite, planets. Oh, I do love a good planet. Moon, Saturn, Mars, and of course, well, our planet Earth. They're all spheres, you see. So here, let's think of a little joke. Oh, here's a good joke. Why do basketball players love cookies? Well, because they love to dunk them. Yeah, very good, very good. Why did Mickey Mouse go to outer space? Well, obviously to find Pluto. Very droll. What did one ball say to the other ball? See you around. Sorry, it's not a good joke. I didn't really plan it. See, planet, sphere, planet. Yeah, anyway, that's today's lesson, and it's all about the sphere shape. Oh, darling, wonderful. Wonderful.
Oh, Louie, that was good.
That was good, Louie.
Oh, Artie learned a lot.
Me too, all
Yeah,
about spheres.
Yeah.
Well, let's finish the drawing, Artie. Let's give our piggy a couple of little eyebrows. That's going to give him a bit more expression, make him look a bit funnier. Oh, and how about a little smiley mouth just underneath his nose? Or snout.
Hi, Artie. Oh, wow. That drawing, it's music to my eyes. Makes me want to sing. Bye.
Thanks, Barry. See you later, and probably hear you later as well. Let's add a little finishing touch. 2 circles for rosy cheeks. This'll help later when we're colouring in.
I'm finished.
You're finished? What a great job, Artie.
Yeah,
Now what?
it's coloring time.
Of course it is.
Ooh.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
When Artie adds color?
Yes.
Wow, Artie, your cute piggy came out so good.
Yeah, it came out really, really good.
It did, and a lovely pink colour too.
Thank you.
Well, that's a wrap on the Artie Show. Keep drawing and keep singing.
Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker, but until then,
Have an Arty day!
Yeah. Thank you for watching the show, and Artie loves all my little artists. Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.